Have you ever wondered why zebras have black and white stripes? Are they horses that haven't been dyed yet? Hey, don't be mistaken. Behind their unique body patterns, zebras hide a ton of surprising facts you might not know. From how they avoid predators to the fact that every zebra has fingerprints. Hey, unique body stripes. Zebras are one of the most easily recognized animals due to their distinctive black and white striped pattern. They belong to the genus Equus, which also includes horses and donkeys. Zebras live in a variety of habitats across Africa, from savannas and grasslands to mountains. Zebras are herbivores, eating grass, leaves, twigs, and tree bark. The first interesting fact is that zebras can recognize each other by their stripe patterns. Each zebra has a unique stripe pattern that is different from other zebras. These stripe patterns are like human fingerprints, which can be used to identify individuals. Zebras can recognize each other by their stripe patterns, both by sight and smell. Zebras can remember the stripe patterns of other zebras they have encountered, even after being separated for months. Zebra stripe patterns can also provide information about the zebra's sex, age, health, and social status. Male zebras usually have wider and darker stripes than females. Juvenile zebras usually have thinner and lighter stripes than adults. Sick or stressed zebras usually have fainter and duller stripes than healthy or calm zebras. Zebras that hold a high position in the herd usually have neater and more symmetrical stripes than zebras that hold a low position. The second unique fact is that zebras can communicate through sounds, movements, and facial expressions. Zebras are highly social animals and live in herds consisting of several individuals. Zebras can communicate with each other using sounds, movements, and facial expressions. Zebras make a variety of sounds, such as neighing, snorting, roaring, and growling. These sounds can express the zebra's emotions, intentions, or warnings. Zebras can also communicate through body movements, such as raising or lowering their heads, moving or perking their ears, raising or curling their tails, and biting or kicking. These movements can indicate the zebra's attitude, interest, or challenge. Zebras can also communicate through facial expressions, such as furrowing or raising their eyebrows, closing or opening their eyes, closing or opening their mouths, and sticking or retracting their tongues. These expressions can indicate the zebra's mood, feelings, or desires. The third interesting fact is that zebras can run at speeds of up to 65 km/h. Zebras are very fast and agile animals. Zebras can run at speeds of up to 65 km/h, which is equivalent to the speed of a car on the highway. Zebras can run at this speed to escape predators, such as lions, leopards, or hyenas. Zebras can also run at this speed to compete with other zebras for mates or territory. Zebras can run at high speeds because they have slender bodies, long legs, and strong muscles. Zebras also have large lungs, which can provide enough oxygen to their muscles. Zebras also have large hearts, which can pump oxygen-rich blood throughout the body. Zebras have an efficient cooling system, which can regulate their body temperature so they don't overheat while running. Zebras are animals that can sleep standing up or lying down. Zebras can sleep standing up to stay alert for predators that might attack them. Zebras can sleep standing up by locking their knees, so they don't need to use muscles to support their bodies. Zebras can sleep standing up for minutes or hours, but this sleep is not very deep and doesn't provide enough rest. Zebras can sleep lying down for deeper, better quality sleep. Zebras can sleep lying down by curling their front legs under their bodies and curling their hind legs up beside their bodies. Zebras can sleep lying down for minutes or hours, but this sleep puts them at greater risk of predator attack. Zebras usually sleep lying down near other zebras, so they can watch each other and signal if there is danger. The final interesting fact is that zebras can give birth to offspring that are different from their mothers. Zebras can give birth to offspring that are different from their mothers because they can crossbreed with other animals belonging to the genus Equus, such as horses or donkeys. The offspring produced from this crossbreeding are called by different names depending on the type of parent. The offspring produced from the crossbreeding between a male zebra and a mare is called a zorse. The offspring produced from the crossbreeding between a male zebra and a female donkey is called a zonkey. The offspring produced from the crossbreeding between a female zebra and a stallion is called a hebra. The offspring produced from the crossbreeding between a female zebra and a male donkey is called a zedonk. These offspring usually have striped patterns similar to zebras, but body shapes similar to their mothers. So there you have it, some unique facts about zebras that you might not have known. From their unique fingerprint-like stripes to their ability to communicate through their ears and vocalizations, zebras are truly extraordinary animals.